This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paul Fonseca. Welcome to this Gulf access pool home with dock, offering the perfect blend of comfort, functionality, and waterfront living. Featuring a newer roof and a desirable split-bedroom floor plan, this residence boasts a kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and wood cabinetry. Brand new carpet has just been installed in the bedrooms, while the open and inviting layout is enhanced by large sliders and French doors from the breakfast nook, living room, master suite, and guest bedroom, filling the home with natural light and providing easy access to the screened lanai and sparkling pool. With southern exposure, you'll enjoy sun year-round as you relax outdoors or entertain with ease. Take advantage of direct canal access right from your backyard dock, whether it's fishing, watching for manatees and dolphins, or heading out on your boat for a day on the water. This is true Southwest Cape Coral living at its finest. For more information, review the details below.